In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use keyboard shortcuts in Slack. If you've ever wished you could move around Slack faster, reply quicker, or format messages without taking your hands off the keyboard, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to find the official, up-to-date list of shortcuts tailored to your device. Start by opening Slack in your browser at slack.com, or use the Slack desktop app if that's what you prefer. The experience is nearly identical in both places, so choose whichever is more convenient. Once Slack is open, look toward the top right corner of the interface for the help icon. It typically appears as a small question mark. Clicking this icon opens Slack's built-in help menu, which gives you quick access to articles and guides from Slack's support center. In the search field that appears inside the help menu, type the phrase keyboard shortcuts. As you type, you'll see suggestions populate below. You're looking for the result that clearly references Slack's keyboard shortcuts guide. When you see it, click the article titled Slack Keyboard Shortcuts. This takes you to Slack's official documentation, which is the best place to rely on because it reflects the latest app updates and matches the design you're using. On this page, you'll notice options to switch between Mac and Windows/Linux. These tabs ensure you're seeing the correct keys for your operating system, since modifier keys and symbols differ across platforms. Select the one that matches your device so the instructions line up with your keyboard. With the correct tab selected, you'll see a well-organized list of shortcuts. These are grouped by what they help you do, like navigating between channels and conversations, composing and formatting messages, managing threads and notifications, or opening specific panels such as the inbox or search. Take a moment to scan the sections that match your daily routine. For example, if you spend a lot of time jumping between DMs and channels, the navigation shortcuts section will be especially useful. If you write long updates, the formatting section will help you keep text clean and readable without reaching for the mouse. As you review the list, focus on a couple of shortcuts you'll use every day. Building a small habit makes them stick, and then you can return to this page to add more over time. Whenever Slack releases changes, this article is the place to confirm what's new or different. That's it. By opening Slack's help menu, searching for keyboard shortcuts, and selecting your platform, you've got a reliable, centralized reference for speeding up your workflow in Slack.